Okay, today we're going to look over post and how to add a new one. Go into post, add new. So what we're going to do is I have a little cheat sheet over here. I'm going to get an article title here. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to post it here. And then I'm going to copy the article. Copy it. This is just for the example. And then all you do is save draft. Once that's saved, I wanted to show you where they call it the kitchen sink here. This is where if you want to change any of your text to different headers, you can. This is text color, paste this text if you're doing anything from Word. If you were going to add a graphic in a minute, this is bold, italics, if you want to do a strike over. And this over here is save draft. This is the visibility. Right now, it's whenever you publish it, it'll publish it. Or if you want to publish it later on, you can do that. You know, if you say on the 24th. Okay, we're going to scroll down, and here's the categories. You can create categories. For example, if I wanted to say a new category, if I wanted to do internet marketing, and I wanted to maybe put it under week 1, then I say add new category, and it will be there. I don't know if it went under parent. It's supposed to. Oh, there it is. There it is, right there. So that's how you do categories. You can also do categories. We're going to keep this in a draft mode for a second, but you can also go in here and create your categories. And then they have all the categories here. And then what's nice too is that it'll count how many posts you have. Like in general, we have 10. And general is probably the default where all the posts go. So let's go to our post, our internet marketing post. Okay, so we're back at the post. And just kind of look around. This is a plugin that I use sometimes for keywords. This is the WordPress SEO by Yoast. And what you could do is your focus keyword. So we're going to say internet marketing is our focus keyword. And I'll give you some suggestions. Okay, so the only thing that's red is the meta description. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this. You can put whatever, but for the sake of time, I'm going to say I'm just going to copy this. Copy it, and then I'm going to put it in here. This says this title is limited to fixed width. Yours is too long, so you could just copy that in there and take off that outline. And then you go ahead and you save it. Okay, now that we've saved the draft and all the SEO is good, because all of our tags are green, we can go ahead and we can publish it. If you want to look at it before, you can preview. One thing I did forget to do is insert the media, and you can do that afterwards. That's fine. Let's try uploading a file. It's going to be the same file that you saw in the library, but let's upload the file. And voila, upload it. And it's the same thing as that one, but since we're talking about internet marketing, let's get in a habit of naming the photo, whatever the keyword is. And then it'll start it. You can resize it. You can center it. You can make it go to the right. So we're just going to make it to the left, and then we're just going to update it. Okay, we can preview the changes. And this is what our WordPress post looks like. Okay. We also, if you want to create a feature picture, you can. Right here, you can set the feature image, and what this does is when you have a list of your blogs in a row, then it will show that picture. So for the pages, it's very similar. We're just going to go into Pages, Add New. You put the title in, just as if you were doing a blog post. All this is the same. The media is the same. And then you have your focus keyword, the same thing. If you want to do a featured image, you can. That's about it.